Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Today's video, I just wanted to show you all what I've started doing, and it's been less than a month. So, my team, they had been on me about signing up for like CPA marketing. And basically, it's affiliate marketing. However, you don't have to own a product, you don't have to own a service. All you're doing is just getting people to do some basic things that they're doing anyway. They may fill in an email, or they may be looking for a loan or something like that, and you referring them to those places or whatever. And this company, Max Bounty, they actually will pay you to do that. And for a lot of people, I know that you're like, oh, it's no money out there. I'm trying to find a job. It's trying hard to find a job. And I found out this is actually simpler than I thought it was. So, I'm surprised if you can see, like today I only made $4.40. Now, granted, again, I've been on this platform for less than a month. And so today I only made $4.40 at it. Yesterday I made $49.68. So my total for the month, and again, it hasn't been a whole month for me, I've made $924.48. So I'm being very transparent. This is my first time ever trying this. I do affiliate marketing. I have other revenues coming in into the business and everything. However, I had no idea how simple this was. And so what I'm doing, I'm going through it and I'm trying to put together a training program to share with you all and everything. So that way, if you want to access to it and learn how to do it and everything, you will have it. But like I said, hey, for not even a month and to make that, that's pretty good. And so I'm going to go through some of the steps with you in terms of what to do in order to start trying to get traffic. Because all it is about sending out a email or a newsletter or making a video or something about a product or service and stuff, and referring people to that product or service. It's like affiliate marketing, but again, this way people you don't have to worry about trying to get people to go in their wallets to buy things and stuff most of the time. All they're doing is just filling out a simple application, or they may just put in their email and stuff. And so, like, these are like new campaigns on Max Bounty. Then they got top campaigns. Then they have trending campaigns. And then they have Max Bounty picks and everything. But say that we want to search a campaign, right? Okay. So let's say that you're in the health niche, right? So you click on search option right here. Don't do search, just search options, right? And so say that we want the United States, and say like it gives you the different categories like biz op or whatever. Say that you are in the health niche, right? So you say that you're in the health niche, and then you say you want to get paid per lead. Now, you're getting paid per lead, and then you click on search. All right. So now it's telling you all the ones that'll pay you per lead. All right. So now see this here, this CPA rate. So what you want to do, and this is earnings per click. This is how much people are paying per click or whatever. So what you want to do, you want to click on this CPA rate, right? And so what that's going to do is let you know like how much they do. So like say that you're in the health niche, if you decided you wanted to promote Nutrisystem, right? So Nutrisystem, it's on a completed purchase, they'll pay you $195. So that's something if you're wanting to promote a Nutrisystem. But what I've found out that a lot of people are doing, okay, what they're doing is they won't start with those products to sell because again, people have to come out of their wallets and stuff like that to actually buy a product. What they're doing to make money much faster is, say, like, let's say pain relief cream, right? And that pays like what, $5 per lead. So once somebody fully opt in, then what they'll do, they'll pay you $5 for that lead. So they don't have to buy nothing. They don't have to buy nothing, so they don't have money coming out of their wallet and everything. So that's the crazy part about it. They don't have to buy nothing. All they have to do is just opt in, and you get to make a $5 for that lead. Now, there's some other steps that you want to do because you definitely want to build an email list. And so I'm going to be talking about that in other videos. But it's exciting to me because my mind was thinking like, man, these people have to buy stuff, and they actually don't. They actually don't. So like, say that here, like beauty, right? Beauty on demand. And so that one they have to do a completed purchase. But let's stick with ones that say care for a parent, right? So care for a parent, all you have to do is promote this to people that have elderly parents that need help for their elderly parents and stuff. And what they do, they find programs and stuff that helps meet the elderly parents' needs and stuff. But just for them opting in, they just for them filling out this here basic form here, then you get paid $3.50. Now, this blew me away because, like I said, you don't have to sell nothing and they don't have to buy nothing. That's crazy. You don't, let me say that again. You don't have to sell nothing and they don't have to buy nothing. All they have to do is let them know that they're interested and they'll pay you for the lead. How simple is that? That is so simple. Oh my God. And I didn't realize this. I thought it was this so complicated thing, but it's not, guys. This is not complicated. Now, I know there's a lot of guys out there that are teaching this, but there's some things that I noticed, like they're teaching it, but there's some big things that they're missing out on that if they was to incorporate it the right way, man, you can actually build a $500,000 business off of this. Because a lot of people now, if you're talking about, say that you have a job and you just really hate your job, okay, and you really want to do something else. This is one of the easiest ways and the fastest way for you to start making $150, $200 a day. Because the average person, if you look at it, they make about $150 a day, and you working what, about if you're making $19 an hour, right? But most people aren't making $19 an hour, right? So if you just need to make a extra $100 a day, this is something that you really need to look at. And so, like I said, I'm making other videos to go along with this, but this is crazy. You actually don't have to sell nothing, and they don't have to buy nothing in order for you to start making at least $100 a day. Okay? So I hope that this inspires you like it inspired me, and it shocked me because, like I said, I was doing this, and then I realized that in less than a month, I almost made $1,000 off of this. This is a new income stream for me. So I have all these other places that I'm making money, but this here, I didn't know how easy it was. And so if you want to sign up for this, I'll put it on a link below so you can sign up for the Max Bounty affiliate marketing program or whatever. But this is something that's like crazy. Oh, let me show you one more thing. Okay. So say that you're in a different niche. Here's another thing. Here you go. All right. So say that, go back to search. You want the search option, not search. You want the United States. and say that you may be in the whatever niche you may be in. See, you can focus on the ones, and I would tell people to actually focus on the ones that are in your niche. Say that you was an insurance agent, right? So let's look at this. You're an insurance agent, and you're just starting your business, or just becoming an insurance agent, and you're trying to get leads. This is what I mean about leveraging, right? So now here's all of these insurance products. So we're going to go from the ones that pay you the most to the least, right? So say that you want to say Liberty Home Insurance, Metro Mile, Affiliate Home Insurance, or excuse me, Allstate Home Insurance. But you see this? Insurance.net, right? So that pays you $14 a lead. Now here's the crazy part about it. If you're an insurance agent, why not set up a landing page where you collect their name and their email, right? Once you collect their name and their email, then you send them over to this page, and all they have to do is complete this form, and you're going to get $14 for that lead. So now you just made money off of that lead. Plus you have the lead as well. So now you're building your list so that you can offer them your insurance product. Plus you'd have made money from this other company. This is so mind blowing. And I never even people told me about it, but when I joined the 4%, that's when the light bulb went off. Like, oh my God. Because with the 4%, I tell you people, they teach you how to actually become a professional affiliate marketer because you're learning all these things. But doing this here, when you join the 4%, if you sign up for Max Bounty, okay, what happens is that now you don't have to wait 90 days. 30 days, 60 days to start making money. You can actually start making money within your first 24 hours. That's what I'm talking about, people. Oh my God, this is so phenomenal. So I hope that you all are going to get excited about this, because it's definitely made me excited, and to actually start to really see within less than a month to make almost $1,000. And I didn't have to sell nothing, and people didn't have to buy nothing. That's amazing. So those of you that are excited about this, hey, let's move forward. Work with me. I'll help you to where we can start making money together. This is Houston with Three-Way Funding. If you want to join the 4%, click the link below. If you want to join Max Bounty, click the link below so that we can start making money together. Thanks.